Some of the emission concerns and issues being faced by companies and organizations include increased public awareness of the dangers posed by airborne pollution, tighter legislation, a very fragmented and disjointed regulatory environment, looming deadlines, and the high cost of noncompliance. Potential damage to an institution's public image often brings yet another layer of concern. Noncompliance is expensive, both in terms of potential shutdowns and fines, but also from a public relations standpoint. There are changing and challenging technical and political hurdles in the marketplace. Navigating the emissions compliance landscape requires a degree of specialized knowledge and focus that doesn't exist in most companies. When it comes to emissions, only one thing is for sure. Every situation is unique and requires its own answer. Continuously researching, developing, and maintaining access to a multitude of viable, compliant solutions requires a serious strategic and financial commitment. Some of the products and services that Milton Cat offers include Tier 4 generators, emissions testing, filter cleaning, state and federal regulation interpretation. Non-emergency engines, including those used in cogeneration, peak shaving, and demand response, often require the use of a selective catalytic reduction system, also known as SCR. SCR is an after-treatment system for oxides of nitrogen embedded in the generator package. The SCR injects urea into the exhaust system at high temperatures. The urea decomposes to form nitrogen and water as it passes through a catalyst, eliminating a high percentage of NOx emissions in the process. An active diesel particulate filter can trap more than 85% of the particulate matter, or PM, in the exhaust stream and then burn it off. This method of remediation is often allowed by regulators as a return to compliance strategy. This solution can address instances where there is visible smoke or an odor issue with the generator, or when the owner has received a notice of noncompliance. The EPA's NESHAP rules require regular emissions monitoring and testing for prime and non-emergency power in industries such as wood chipping, paper making, aggregate production, and for companies that peak shave. The right solution can be to replace a muffler with an oxidation catalyst that converts high percentages of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons into water and CO2. Milton Cat has been in the power systems business for over 50 years. Our customers include some of the region's largest hospitals, data centers, educational institutions, and environmental consulting firms. Staying ahead of emissions regulations so we can interpret them and help our customers find the right solution is our strength. We have assembled a team of experts that is unequaled in the region. We understand and support all brands of power generation equipment. And we're ready to help you at any stage of your emissions compliance project.